This video is showing you how to install a new cylinder inside, or change out the cylinder inside the 944, the Kason 944 deadbolt. So this is the housing. We're at the housing for this with the bolt opening to the right. This is the lock mechanism. It's notice it says top. It's got two sides. One, see, has these empty holes. This side has some screw heads, so we want those away from us. And on the inside, where there's top, opposite that at the bottom, is where you have the working little pin here that goes back and forth. That's what the cylinder moves. So we just want to make sure it's like this. So it's going to go in like so. And then the cylinder goes in and screws into it. When we talk about the cylinder, you will have a wave washer with your kit, and then there'll be a trim ring with the cylinder. So you need the wave washer inside there, and the cylinder goes through like this. The cylinder, this is a removable core type cylinder. Notice it's got a little cam on the bottom, and it's not on the center. So we're going to make sure at the end we'll talk about that the cam's got to be at the bottom down here before you're finished. And so I just like to take the removable core with a master key in it, and use it as my turning mechanism here to turn the cylinder. I'm just going to thread it in, and you want to go tight, as tight as you can get it, but you have to end up with the key part at the bottom, straight up and down at the bottom. That's important for it to work. And so you want to get as tight as you can get it there. If you can't get all the way back to there, back it up until it's as tight as you can get with this at the bottom. Then you want to take the set screw. You got to tighten the set screw here on the inside, and use the Allen wrench that comes with it, and just turn it a couple turns. You'll feel it get tight. Now it's in. And so now I use my regular key. It's working. Things that can go wrong if that key doesn't work, it means you don't have this bottom, this cam position down at the bottom. And that's it.